Hello students, hope you all are well at your home, and firstly I wish you all a good day. And today we are going to start chapter number 6. Chapter number 6. Okay, this chapter is based on angles. This chapter is based on angles. So name of the chapter is lines and angles. Lines and angles. And in this chapter we are discuss the lines and angles. Okay, lines which makes angles. Firstly, I am going to a little bit review of your previous class, and you already done about this. This one and this one. This is a transversal line. You people know that. Okay, and this angle 1 and this angle 2. These two angles 1 and 2 we call it alternate or vertical opposite. Which? Yes, vertically opposite. These angles are vertically opposite angles because these two are sit opposite to each other. Okay, and now if this angle 3 and this angle 4, angle 1, angle 2, this is vertically opposite angles, and angle 3 and angle 4, angle 3 and angle 4, 3 and 4 are alternate angles, alternate angles. Is it okay? And next one, 3 and 7, these angles, 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. 3 and angle 7 are correspond angles. Is it okay? Clear? And a line, this one, this is makes a linear pair. Linear pair means equal line the angle, and line is measurement is 180 degree. line कितने डिग्री दी होंदी है बेटा? 180 डिग्री दी. तो एक लाइन पे जिन्ने भी एंगल बननगे सीधी, that sum is always 180. Is it okay? Only these things you people need it in this chapter. Knowledge about angles, how to find it, and which concept you have to apply on the question that make it easier. Is it okay? And now next we are going to start 6.1 exercise that is based on angle. So you all have to see the diagram. Okay, see it? Okay ji. Next in this diagram, this is your question number 1 of exercise 6.1. Is it clear? So in 6.1, in first question you have to already given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to, this one measurement is given 70 degree. Okay, if you have to add this and this and this, sum of these two angles is equals to 70 degree. And one thing is left, angle BOD mean to say only this one. This gives you only 40 degrees. This gives you only 40 degree. And question is what? Question ki hai? Question is this. You have to find angle BOE. Okay. This we want to find. And reflex of angle COE. This we find. Okay. These two things we find in this question. So firstly, see which thing is given. That is a big clue for us. Okay, given that this and this angle, sum of this one is 180 because this makes a linear pair. Two angle is given, so we already find that ki COE. Okay ji. So now we write that in AOB, you write that angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE. COE is equal to 180. Reason is this makes a linear pair. So AOC and BOE, sum of this one 70 degree. Angle COE is 180 degree. So what is the measure of an angle COE? That is 110 degree. That is 110 degree. So but we find reflex. Reflex means beta कि तुसी इस angle ਨੂੰ leave कर देना and you have to find this one angle. So total circle is 360 degree. So reflex of angle COE मतलब तुसी COE ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਦੇਣਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਜੋ ਉਹਦਾ ਨੀਚੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਸਰਕਲ ਦਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਬਣ ਰਿਹਾ that you have to measure it. Okay. So total circle is 360. Angle is minus. So we will get this is 250 degree. So अपना reflex आ गया. This angle is 250 degree. Is it okay? I think clear all of you. And next, which thing we are find? Next we find that angle BOE. Angle BOE. Okay. So see that CD is a line. CD is a line na? CD is a line. So ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਐਂਗਲ this and this all makes a linear pair. Is it okay? This all makes a linear pair. So you have to write COE plus EOD. COE plus EOD. COE plus angle EOD is equals to 180 degree. Is this 180 degree? Because this makes a linear pair. And COE and BOE, this one COE and BOE, COE plus BOE, sorry, BOE plus BOD. This also makes the angle 180 degree because whole line is makes a linear pair and this angle is 110 degree. 110 degree. You already find it. And BOD is given. This thing is given BOD. This is angle 40 degree. This is angle 40 degree. So what we get? Angle BOE is equals to 110 plus 140. 150 minus, so BOE is a 30 degree. Okay students, hope so you all will understand it and attend Zoom class regularly. Okay, because in Zoom class you have to give me also your doubts. Okay, and I am want to be clear it. And next we are going to discuss question number 4. In question number 4, the diagram is given that you like this, not in a symmetry, like this. Is it clear? And you have to given that this is X, this is Y, Z and W. This all angles are given that A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. And only in figure x plus y is equal to y plus z. This is given. X plus y is equals to, w plus z. W plus z. And you have to find that, prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. To prove. ये आप prove करनी है. So आप किमें prove करेंगे? आप prove कर देंगे कि AOB is measurement is 180 degree. So this is a line. Measurement 180 degree हो गया, then automatically it is a straight line. Okay, otherwise no. So let it be sum of all these angles. X plus Y plus W plus Z. All these angles is a 360 degree. Okay, circle form बना रही है ना, round shape बना रही है. So in circle measurement of angle is a 360 degree. So X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. This is 360 degree. This is 2 times 360 degree. So it means W plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Okay ji. If W plus Z is equals to 180 degree. It means x plus y is 180 degree. Sorry, measurement is like this, x, y, z, w. Okay, y plus z is 180 degree. It means this is a straight line. It means this is a straight line. So this is also x plus y. Is it okay? Thank you. Hope so. You all have to understood that today's topic is very well. Have a nice day. Thank you.